Should you spend or save on a lip plumper? So in this video, we are going to compare the Dr. Dennis Gross lip plumper for $45 to the Inkey List Tripeptide Plumping Lip Balm for $12.99. Both of these products are going to be linked in the description of this video. I'm Dr. Maren Locke, known here as the Budget Dermatologist. I help you know when to spend and when to save on skincare. Just give you all of the skincare education. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, turn on the notifications, and come say hi on Instagram at the Budget Dermatologist. Now, lip plumpers are all the rage right now. I've seen so many brands launch them, and I think they are really just such a good idea to add into our skincare routine. Because if you think about it, we put all of these collagen building ingredients on our face, on our bodies, but we are not putting anything like that on our lips. And our lips lose collagen just as much as the rest of our skin and kind of deflate as we age, especially if we're having a lot of sun exposure and if we're not putting SPF on the lips, like I know we all are not doing consistently. So I'm also going to be linking an SPF for the lip below as well. So my point here is that we should not neglect our lips. So I'm loving these lip plumping products that are coming out lately. So this is my newest purchase by the Inkey List. It is $12.99. It is called the Tripeptide Plumping Lip Balm. Now this one has 6% tripeptide complex and hyaluronic acid spheres to give your lips just the ultimate plumped look. And supposedly this can plump your lips by up to 40% in 4 weeks. Now let's compare this to the Dr. Dennis Gross splurge option here for $45. Now I actually did a before and after video on my channel where I use this product. I'm going to link that below. You can check it out to see me use this in real time. And you can see what it did to my lips in under 2 minutes. Spoiler alert, it really worked, and it worked in a big way. So check that video out. I actually really loved the results from this. So I do really love this product. So let's compare these. The absolute number one biggest difference in my opinion is that the Dr. Dennis Gross is going to give you instant results in a matter of minutes. Compared to the Inkey List, you can expect results more in the short term, over 2 to 4 weeks. So when you put this one on, as you see in my other video, the lips will literally grow in size in under 2 minutes. It also has peptides in it that over time can build the collagen in your lips too. So I would consider this one to have both immediate and delayed benefits here. Compared to the tripeptide plumping here by the Inkey List, this is going to give you kind of a more subtle enhancement when you first put it on, but the real benefit here is that these are gonna plump the lips over time rather than instantaneously. So we have more immediate versus more delayed results. Now there are pros and cons to both of these options. So with the Dr. Dennis Gross, the pro is immediate plumping results. But the con is that you will experience a tingling sensation on the lips. And this is actually kind of how it works to swell the lips more quickly. I do not mind this sensation, but I do believe that some people will find it irritating. So that may be more of a trial and error for you there to see if you can tolerate this. As for the Inkey List, the con is you have to be patient. These results are more delayed, but the pro is there's no tingling with this product, so it is more comfortable to use. And for me, that means that I can end up using this more often, up to twice a day, especially as part of my nighttime routine. Okay, so let's talk about some more similarities between these. These both are going to build collagen over time as well, and they do that because of the peptides in them. So let's compare the peptides between these products. The Dr. Dennis Gross has palmitoyl tripeptide 38 and palmitoyl tripeptide 1. And guess what? The Inkey List has the exact same peptides, tripeptide 1 and tripeptide 38. So the exact same. When it comes to the concentration of each of those peptides precisely in these products, we don't know because they don't disclose that, but they have the same peptide profile. Now, as for the other ingredients, they both have hyaluronic acid and they both have oils that are going to be hydrating and nourishing for the lips. So here's my final thoughts between the spend versus save options of these lip plumpers for the Inkey List. I am able to use this more often, up to a couple times a day, definitely nightly, and because of that, I feel like I can get the benefits of these peptides a lot more easily in my routine then using this one by Dr. Dennis Gross, which I consider to really only use as part of a makeup routine with me or for me, or if I'm going out. I don't really care to put this on before bed and have that tingling sensation that's a little uncomfortable at that kind of point in my day. So this one is much more easy for me to use more often and more consistently, and that is what is going to actually get you the best long-term results. So here's the question: should you spend or save on a lip plumper? If you want to make lip care a part of your daily routine and plump your lips over time without that tingly feeling, save your money and choose this one by the Inkey List. I believe you should put this in your daily skincare routine and stick with it over time to protect your lips and slow down their signs of aging. But if you want an instant, more drastic plump within seconds to a couple minutes, but still look natural and dewy from your natural enhanced lip color, then get out your wallet and throw down for this one by Dr. Dennis Gross. It is worth it for going out or a more dramatic look. So what do I choose? For me personally, I am using this nightly, and once in a while, I'm gonna use this one. But when it comes to my long-term anti-aging routine, I think this one by the Inkey List is your pick. So what matchup do you guys want to see next? Comment below. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Come say hi on Instagram, and I'll see you soon. Bye.